better than the best. I'm lucky just to linger in your light, cooler than the flip side of my pillow. That's right, completely unaware. Nothing can compare to where you send me. Lets me know that it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. In the moments when my good times start to fade, you make me smile like the sun, fall out of bed, sing like a bird, dizzy in my head, spin like a record, crazy on a Sunday night. You make me dance like a fool, forget how to breathe, shine like gold, buzz like a bee. Just the thought of you can drive me wild. Oh, you make me smile. Even when you're gone, somehow you come along just like a flower poking through the sidewalk crack. And just like that, you steal away the rain. And just like that, you make me smile like the sun, fall out of bed, sing like a bird, dizzy in my head,
Linda, hi, hello, happy birthday. Wish you more birthday to come. At regards kay Arthur and Lisa, at saka Linda, lagi ka namin nagpe-pray dito. Unang-una nga, nagpe-pray namin na sana magkaroon na kayo ng baby ni Arthur very soon, sana. Regards to all, happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye.
Hello, Auntie Linda! Kamusta ka na dyan? Happy birthday po sa inyo! And may you have more birthdays to come. At sana magkaroon ka na ng baby. And hello, Uncle Arthur! How are you? Auntie Linda, lagi ka namin pinapag-pray. At sana, yun nga po, magka-baby na kayo. At lagi ko namin kayong pinapagdasal sa gabi-gabi na ilayo sa anumang karamdaman, ingatan. At maraming salamat po sa pagiging ante, kaibigan ko na kapag kinailangan ko ng masasandalan, kapalikan sa mga problema, lagi kang nandyan para magpayo. Maraming salamat po, ante. God bless you always. And again, happy birthday and Merry Christmas! Bye-bye! Love you!
Hello, ante. Happy birthday nga pala sa'yo. Wish you all the best. Sana ay patuloy kang pagpalain ni Lord. At nawa sana ay yung samahan niyo ni Arthur maging stay strong. Miss ka na namin dito. At yung mga happiness moment na kasama ka namin, miss na namin. Sana yung video yung ginawa ko sa'yo ay magustuhan mo. It's specially dedicated para lang sa'yo. Happy birthday ulit. Yan.
Happy birthday po, Ninang. Happy birthday po, Ninang. Merry Christmas. I love you. Pinagano ko po. Happy birthday.
Linda, happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to come. I wish you all the luck, good health, and God bless. Love you. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye. I hope you are happy. Sana magka-baby kayo. Bye.